Okay, welcome to another session in this series. In this session, we're going to start with question number 26, right? Okay, so it says, question number 26 says, if 2.3, if the expression, this expression right here, if this expression right here is equal to this expression is equal to this, then find the value of y. So we need to find the value of y, then exponent y. This y, we need to find the value. So this is the expression. We need to put in the calculator, right? We can do that by hand, but then this is an objective question, so let's use our calculator, and then we would be very fast. Okay, let's go. So let's put the top, the numerator, which is 2.34 times 981 squared times 10 to the power of -3, right? Then the denominator is 4.29 times 10 to the power of 5, right? So here is the answer. The answer is 5.24924188182 times 10 to the power -3. So let's write that down. You have 5.2492 times 10 to let me use the pen. So let's use the pen. So 5.2492 times 10 to the power, what was it? -3, -3. So what's the value of y? The value of y here is -3. So let's circle that, -3. Okay, let's continue to the next question. Question is 27. It says correct the value 5045.0049 to 3 significant figures. So we don't want to convert it to 3 significant figures, right? 3 significant figures. So let's write down the value. The value is 5045.0049, right? Okay, so 3 significant figures, we need to start counting from the left, right? So this is 1, 2, 3. So we stop right here, right? We stop right here. And then we see that the value after the third significant figure is 5. So we need to what? Round this plus 1. So we have 505, and the rest will be 000. So this is our answer, 50/50.00. So 50/50.00. This is our answer, right? This is our answer. Do we have it here? Yeah, the answer is, we have it here, right? C. So let's circle that, C. Okay, cool. Let's move on to question number 28. It says express 0.0096 in standard form. We've already done this several times, so we're not wasting a lot of time on this. So how do you do that? You just what? Move the decimal point to the first significant figure, which is 9 right here. So how many times we move the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to have 9.6, right? So we have 9.6 times 10. How many times did you move the decimal point? How many times? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9.64 times. So we have what? -4. -4. So this is our answer. Do we have it here? Do we have 9.6 times 10 to the power negative 4? Yes, we have it right here. So let's circle that. Let's circle B. That's our answer. So this is question number 26. This is 27. And then this is 20. No, this is 28. Now let's do 29. It says what? Question number 29 says express 7.0959 correct 3 significant figures, similar to this question right here, right? Very similar. So what you need to do is what? Count 3 significant figures starting from 7. So 3 significant figures you need to have. Let's write it down. 7.0959 to 3 significant figures. So let's count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 significant figures, right? So we stop at where? After 9. But the value after 9 is 5. So we need to what? Round it plus 1, right? We need to round this plus 1. That will give us 7.1000, right? 7.100. 7.10. This will be our answer. Because when you add 1 to this, you get what? 10. So we have 10, right? So let's write that down. 7.10. 3 significant figures. And this is our answer. Do you have that in the answers? Do you have that here? Yes, we have it right here. D. So let's circle D. Cool. Let's move on to the next set of questions. Okay. Question number 30 says, arrange in ascending order of magnitude. Arrange in ascending order of magnitude. Now, the simplest way to do this is to convert all these fractions into decimals. Then you compare them, right? So let's use our calculator. Let's bring up our calculator. Okay. So let's clear this and see. Now let's convert all to decimals, right? So the first one is what? 7 over 7 over 75. It's what? Let me put it as decimals. Okay, 0.093, right? Firstly, let me bring my pen so we can write it. 0. Let me clean that. We have 7 over 75 is equal to 0.093. Okay, let's do the next one. It's what? 2 over 5 on the calculator. 2 over 5 is what? 4 times 10 to the power negative 1, which is the same as 0.4, right? 0.4. So let's put that down. We have 2 over 5 is equal to 4 times 10 to the power negative 1, which is equal to 0.4. Let's do the last one, which is 1 over 3. So we have, let's clear this. 1 over 3 is what? 0.3. 0.3. 0.333. And this is also the same. 0.093 was like this. So now we need to compare. Thank you, calculator. You can go now. We need to compare these values and see which is the biggest. So it says in ascending order. So we look at the smallest, then the biggest, then the biggest, right? So 0.093 is smaller than 0.4 and smaller than 0.3. So it comes first. So this is the first one. This will be the first one. First. And then now we compare 0.4 and 0.33. This is 0.33 is smaller than 0.4, so that is the second. That is the second. The second. And then obviously this will be the third. Okay, so that means our answer will be 7 over 75, 2 over 5, 1 over 3. No, let's go back. The second is 1 over 3. 2 over 5. Okay, so this is our answer. This is our answer. Let's see if we have it in our options. 7 over 75, 1 over 3, and 2 over 5. Yes, that is last one, D. So answer is D. Our answer is D. Well, let's move on to the next question, which is question 31. It says, which of the following sets is illustrated on the number line below? So before we even look at the set, let's try to write it down, right? Let's try to write down what this line represents. Okay, so firstly, we look at this side. This side is shaded, so it means what? It is inclusive. The number over here is inclusive, and then right here it is not shaded, so it is non-inclusive. So what that means is we have the number -3 and the number 2, right? Here we have shaded and here not shaded, so we have a set in the middle, right? X. So this is inclusive, and here is non-inclusive, right? So that means when you write the set, -3 will be included in the set, and then 2 will not be included. So let's write that down. That will be -3 less than or equal to x less than 2, because we said -3 is inclusive, so we need to add the less than or equal to sign, but then 2 is non-inclusive, so we use the less than sign. So this is our set. This is our set. So I think we have to end here. But then what is our answer? Our answer is -3 less than or equal to x less than 2. Where is it in our solution? It is B. It is B. So let's cycle B. Right? So that is our answer. Thank you so much. See you again in the next session. Bye.